Hey, I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to walk you through what a workflow is, or we call flows. It's essentially a program that you create to collect information, to push information to the right people, to create social feeds, to interact better with your team, to be more accountable, to create a great culture inside of your organization. All this can be done through workflows. A workflow could be a one on one. A workflow could be a company announcement pushing information to the entire org. It could be to push information to your team. It could be an idea submission portal where people can input information into a feed that comes back just to you, or that the ideas can be shared with the team in a structured manner. The way you create workflows is quite simple. You have to edit the content of what you want in the post. Do you want people to upload photos or files or documents? Do you want people to answer a free form? Do you want people to select from a dropdown? All of these are questions and the type of feedback you can pull out of the platform. You can also schedule a workflow. You can tell people or remind people through the platform that they should respond to this once a week, once a day, once a month, once a quarter. We can put your idea capturing on autopilot. We can remind the people at the right place and the right time. On top of creating the workflow that you want answered or that you want to push information to, you have to share the information. Now, sharing the information is really easy. You get to say, I want this department to participate. I want this person to participate. I want everyone in my group to participate. And then you could also say, I want only myself to see the responses, or I want everyone who's participating to see the responses, or I want the entire org to see the responses. You can even make comments come back or questions come back anonymous. All of that is up to you. And that is how you create a workflow. Once you create the rules, all the posts and responses will come into a feed-like format. So whether you're running a survey where your department can participate and only you can see the responses, only you would be able to see the feed. If you're running a social initiative where everyone can both participate and see, everyone will have full permissions. If you wanted to create a private channel between you and, let's say, a coworker, only the two of you would have access to see the posts that come in the door. Our software will always adhere to the rules you set up, rest assured.